Dear students, I hope you are safe and fine. Welcome in my first video lesson. Today we will study computer subject. And now I am starting chapter 2nd, and name of the chapter is Number System and Introduction. The chapter 2nd, Number System and Introduction. In this chapter we will discuss about number system. What is number system? How many types of number system? How to convert your value from one number system to another number system, and how to perform the basic operations on binary number system such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so on. So first of all, what is number system? What is the number system? So the number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. The number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities, and this is a technique to represent your number. And work with number is called number system. Basically, there are four types of number system. Number one is decimal number system. Number two, binary number system. Number two is binary number system. Number three, octal number system. And the number four is hexadecimal number system. So first number system is a decimal number system. So the decimal number system, nowadays in real life we are using decimal number system. Suppose you want to know the number of students in your class, then what will you do? You will simply count one by one. Okay, you will simply count the number of students one by one. And the number system you use here is called decimal number system, and the decimal number system is most common number system. The decimal number system is the most common number system. And suppose you know how to use it, means how to use the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 25 82 32 etc. And you know how to use it, and how to do mathematical operation, and how to do mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in it. And the decimal number system is a positional value number system. Decimal number system is a positional value number system. This means that the value of digit will depend on its position. Okay, so this is a positional value system, and basically there are total 10 digits. Okay, this number system consists total 10 digits, means 0 to 9. Okay, this number system consists total 10 digits, 0 to 9, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, means total 10 digits. Okay, this number system consists total 10 digits, and these digits are used to represent a number or quantity, and any quantity is greater than 9. If any quantity is greater than 9, just like suppose 26, 82, 35, etc. And suppose any quantity greater than 9 is represented by the combination of 2 or more digits. Okay, it is a combination of 2 or more digits. Suppose I have number 7 and 8. Okay, so 7 and 8 is between 0 to 9. So I am adding here 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. So 15 is a combination of 1 and 5. So 15 is a combination of 1 and 5. Okay. So the decimal number system has total 10 digits. This decimal number total has total 10 digits. So this number system is called base 10 system. This number system is called base 10 system. Okay, this number system is called base 10 system. The next number system is binary number system. The binary means composition of 2. The binary means composition of 2. The composition of 2, and the binary number system consists total 2 digits, 0 and 1. The binary number system consists only 2 digits, 0 and 1. And the binary number system used widely in computer. Why? Because we know that the computer understands only machine language or binary language, and binary language consists only 0 and 1. So this number system is especially used by computer. Okay. The next thing, in a decimal number system, here total 10 digits. So this number system is called base 10 system. The same as binary number system consists total 2 digits. So this number system is called base 2 system. Base 2 system. Okay. The next is a octal number system. The octal number system, in the octal number system has total 8 digits. The octal number system has total 8 digits. 0 to 7. 0 to 7 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 means total 8 digits. Okay, this number system consists total 8 digits. So this system is called base 8 system. Base 8 system. And this number system is a positional value number system, and this number system is called base 8 system. And this is a positional value system where in each octal digit, this digit is called octal digits between 0 to 7 is called octal digit. So each octal digit has its own value expressed to the power of 8. Okay, each octal digit has its own value expressed to the power of 8. And the procedure of converting octal number system to decimal number system is same as the conversion of binary number system to decimal number system. Only the change is base. Okay, so it means in binary number system we will use only base 2, and the octal number system we will use base 8. Base 8. The next number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has total 16 digits. The hexadecimal number system has total 16 digits. 0 to 9 means total 10 digits. 0 to 9 it means total 10 digits. And then capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E and capital F. Okay, so 0 to 9 means total 10 digits, 11 digit, 12 digit, 13, 14, 15 and 16, total 16 digits. And here A represent here after 9, A represent here 10, B represent 11, C represent 12, T represent 13, E represent 14 and F represents 15. Okay, so there is a total 16 digits, 0 to 9, 10 and then 6, total 16 digits. And it has total 16 digits. So this number system is called base 16 system. So this number system is called base 16 system, and this is also positional value system, and where in each hexadecimal digit has its own value expressed to the power of 16, with expressed to the power of 16. And the procedure of hexadecimal to decimal number system conversion is same as the procedure of binary number system to decimal number system. Here only change base, okay, and the difference is the change of base. It means in the binary number system we will use base 2, and the hexadecimal number system we will use base 16. So these are the four types of number system. Okay. Now the next topic is conversion. Conversion of number system, one number system from to another number system. So first of all, we will discuss about the conversion of binary number system to decimal number system. And so we know that about binary number system, and binary number system consists total 2 digits. So this number system is called base 2 system. Okay, and any binary number system has positioning start from the decimal point. Suppose I have a binary number 101011.10 and 1. Okay, so how to find its position? The before decimal point, this digit is on 0th position. The position of this digit is called 0th position. The position of this digit is called first position. The position of this digit is second position, third position, fourth position, and here fifth position. Okay, so how to find the position of the digits? Is a 0th before the decimal point is a 0th position, 1 position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position. And after the decimal point is a 0th position. So this position is called minus 1 position. This position is called minus 1 position. This position is called minus 2 position, and this position called minus 3 position. Okay, this position is called minus 3 position. The same as if you have, suppose I have again another binary number and there is no digits, there is no decimal point. Here is no decimal point. Then how to find the position? Here how to count the position? There is no decimal point, so you will find the position from the right side of the number. So this is the first digit. So this position is called 0th position. This position is called first position. This position is called second position. This is called third position, fourth position, and fifth position. Okay, the fifth position. So clear how to find the position of the digits. Okay, so now, let's start the conversion from binary to decimal. Okay, suppose I have a binary number, it's like 101011, and I want to convert this binary number to decimal number. So I am showing here in this form. It means this is a base 2. Okay, so it is called base 2. It means this is a binary number and I want to convert into the decimal. So first of all, I will write all the digits as it is. 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, first of all I want to write all the digits as it is. 1 0 1 0 1 1. And now make this sign 1, then now you have to write all the digits as it is. Here is 1. So 1, then you will write here 1. Here is 1. So you have to write here 1. Here is 0. Then you have to write here 0. Okay. Here is 1. So you have to write here 1. Here is 0. So you have to write here 0. And then here is 1. So you have to write 1. Now, you just make the multiplied sign after all digits. Multiplied sign. Okay. 1 multiply, 1 by 0 multiply, 1 multiply. Then, here, you know what is the position of the digits. So, this digit is position on 0th position. It is on 0th position, it is on first position, it is on second position, third position, fourth position and fifth position. And this number system is a base 2 system. So here after multiply you have to write 2. After multiply sign you have to write 2. Okay, this is clear? This is a base 2 system and we want to convert binary to decimal. So we will write here 2. Okay, because this binary system consists only base 2 system. Okay, consists base 2 system. And now first in this first digit, okay, this position of this digit is 0. Position of this digit is 0. So you have to write 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 0. The position of this digit is 1. So here you have to write 2 raised to the power 1. Position of 0 is second. So here you have to write 2 raised to the power 2. Here third position. So here you have to write 2 raised to the power 3. Fourth position. So you have to write here 2 raised to the power 4. And fifth position. So you have to write here 2 raised to the power 5. Now I am removing. Okay. So now solve same as mathematics. So 1 multiply here 0 multiply 1 multiply 0 multiply 1 multiply. Then 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. Because we know that every variable or constant has power 0. Then its value is 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. Okay. So here you write here 2. Now 0 multiplied 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Here 1 multiplied 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 means 3 times 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Okay. Then after here 0, 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So here you write 16. Same as next 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Okay. So 2 raised to the power 5 equal to 32. Now again solve. Here again you have to solve. 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 4 equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 8 equal to 8. And 0 multiplied by 16 equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 32 equal to 32. 32. Now you have to add all the digits. Okay. Just like 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Then 3 plus 8, 11 plus 32, it means 43. So the addition of all the numbers 43. Okay, 1 and 2 3 and at 11 into 33 carry 1 and 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So the conversion of this binary number system to decimal number system is 43. So again we have to write 1 0 1 0 1 1. After bracket I am writing here 2. It means this is a binary number, and then equal to, after conversion it will be converted into 43, and 43 is a decimal number system. So here we have to write in this form 43 then 10. It means this number is a decimal form. Okay, so this is a conversion of binary number system to decimal number system.